Check. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're here with Mother Swap, Khago. I'm not sure if it's a diss song, but by the name of it, it seems like he's telling Octane for make we swap mother then. You see me? Could be wrong. I don't know, cause you don't know Khago is unpredictable like a dice. So big up yourself, Khago. Octane, big up yourself also. You make Khago give with them bombs, yeah. You make Khago drop them hit songs, yeah. So big up yourself, Octane. Also, I don't know. We're gonna jump into the one here and here where the G says Sky God, Khago, big up on yourself too. Let's go.
Yeah. Sorry things have to be like this. But you know it is what it is, you know. Still I say big up all the real mothers out here, you know.
Yeah man, big them up.
And all the real baby mothers, you know.
That is
and all
it.
the fathers, them out there play the role of a mom.
So even though him give you a song say Father's Day, him still has to big up the real mother them because him know the values of real mother. Yeah, I'm sure Francine is a real mother, which is his wife. Real mother, real wife, you know. Let's go.
All the real baby mothers, you know. And all the fathers, them out there play the role of a mom. Hey boy, since you love my mother so much, boy, make we do a mother swap. And when you find out the faults my mother got, please don't bring her back, boy.
Since you love my mother so much, brother, make we do a mother swap. Since y'all sing song and tell me say yo, my mother, oh me this my mother and Ray blah blah blah. Make we do a mother swap. But here when you find out the flaws when my mother have, me no want her back. You keep her. You keep her. Yeah. You keep her. I'm going to still keep your one. Yeah.
And when you find out the faults my mother got, please don't bring her back.
No.
99% of Jamaica children, now them granny grow them.
Facts. 99% of Jamaican children, especially the older generation, and them granny grow them. Yeah. Definitely. Facts. And also, 90% of Jamaica children are hugless. Them hugless. By either mother or father. Them hugless. Them not get no hug. You see me? Yeah. Telling somebody you love them is one thing. But actually hugging them and embracing them and giving them that physical touch. You say, yo, there you feel have your back, I love you. That's a different thing as well, you know. So let's go.
99% of Jamaica children, now them granny grow them. Why? Yeah. Since you love my mother so much, hypocrite, go on with the two of them.
Man, I say, yo, you're a hypocrite, so go on with the two of them. Since you love my mother so much, remember, say you're a hypocrite, you know, so go on with the two of them. Why is he a hypocrite?
Why? Since you love my mother so much, hypocrite, go on with the two of them. I can't see your mother, why you tell me truck through you at all? Boy, you know I know.
So that's why I'm a hypocrite. Okay. Alright. So I can't see a mother where you are telling me for chuck through. Octane, I can't see a mother where you're waiting for chuck through. Yeah, big up you now. I can't the same woman that you talk about. You know no art. So basically, I repeat the same thing when we say in the reaction, like in a Mother's Day reaction when Octane I say yo him this him mother and or Khago this him mother and thing and but when I mentioned that even though him this him mother, yes, cool. But you Octane they tell the man say for chuck through mother or what have you. The people some people in the comment section beat me and say yo me a pick side. I'm not picking side. I'm just stating the obvious. And anybody with common sense or even capital sense would know. Say yo mother regardless. Some people say yo because of the war, because war go on, anything go on. Yeah, cool. But not when me know your mother. Not when me know your mother. Me know your mother. It's okay if you're artist from A and B or whenever link it, never link before, never eat out of the same plate, never sleep in the same yard and them things. It's alright. But when we sleep in the same yard, your mother now become my mother, bro. Your mother feed me. You know what I mean? So it's a different story, dog. Different, but people now get the levels right, man. So it's a Khago, I said, yeah.
I can't see your mother why you tell me truck through you at all. Boy, you know I know. And not the hardest thing for your son cut off his mother. Tell her that from your order.
That's the hardest thing for true. Hardest thing. for your son cut off them mother, brother. Cause you know say mama love. Mama love will bring you through darkness. I want other gone left. Big up Da Vinci. Remember something can sing too. Remember something can sing, man. Come on. Come on, man. Yeah, somebody bring me in the studio. But yeah, one of the hardest thing, dog, after your son cut off mommy. That's hard, brother. No matter how much you see, your mother kick off or whatever. Certain things you not do front or you're not. You see me? Like me never cause a bad word. I met my mother here yet. Me never cause I met my mother here yet. I swear to you, never ever ever. You know. So them thing like. Me can relate.
I can't see your mother why you tell me chuck show you at all. Boy, you know I know. And not the hardest thing for your son cut off his mother. Tell her that from your door. Me tell me mother say me want to see your baby picture of me and her. Me not get that all now.
You tell your mother say you want to see a baby picture with you and her and I know you not get that. That is a hard task, brother. That is a hard task. Me not have a baby picture with my mother and me. Me not have that, and I'm sure a lot of people, lot of other people don't have it. You see me? Yo, Jamaica society different.
Me tell me mother say me want see your baby picture of me and her. Me not get that all now. Floor me sleep until me finance allowed, so nobody can tell me John or real. Yeah.
Man say a floor me sleep on until me get nasty out my friend them. Remember me did don't tell you that. You know why me did don't tell you that. Because him did tell you that before in our interviews, previous talks. Him tell we say, oh, listen, at 20th floor him sleep on. 20th floor him sleep on before him get the break. So, him been through it.
Floor me sleep until me finance allowed, so nobody can tell me John or real, yeah. I feel the pain. Granny say feel the half and successful of mother. I feel the hurt. I feel the pain.
Let me catch you now.
Granny say feel the half and successful of mother. I feel the hurt. I feel the pain. When I no got no wife, you sleep and time it rain, yo.
Oh my God.
Mother, I feel the hurt. I feel the pain. When I no got no wife, you sleep and time it rain, yo. Me drop a jail, I try be a father to a daughter. I'll know for my mother don't visit.
Me drop a jail, I try be a father to my daughter, and I'll know my mother don't visit. So I refer back to the case where we found out in the media where they say them take away him gun and rare because apparently him draw gun for him daughter and them thing there. If I that to do Khago, if I that you truly do, that not nice, you know. But you forward out and said that's not what happened. So we don't hear this the full side. There's three sides to every story. Your side, her side, and the truth. So yeah, big up yourself, do you know.
Yeah, me drop a jail, I try be a father to a daughter. I'll know for my mother don't visit. Nope. Brother don't send me no text, sister no send no clothes. You no see us, so them deal with my crabby.
Even though he's somebody important in a society now, them still no business with him. So I could have what you do, sir, brother. Khago, I could have what you do, sir. First me ask you this. Mother don't like you. Brother not send no text and your sister not send no clothes. So is it a case where mommy turn your brother and sister mind against you? Or is it a case where I don't know, yeah, man. I don't know.
Brother don't send me no text, sister no send no clothes. You no see us, so them deal with my crabby. Sad when I grew out.
Oh, so them deal with your crabbit. Them deal with your crabbit. Like your mother a crab and your father a rabbit. Crabbit. Then deal with your you left that. Let's go.
Me no text, sister no send no clothes. You no see us, so them deal with my crabby. Yeah. Sad when I grew out of love, but it's sweet make me know about love.
Man, I say, yo, right now, a stranger show him more love than him family. So he must say, yo, it's sad when I grow out of love. It's very sad when I grow out of love. But here, the street, the Khagonians, them, the fans, them, the true fans, them, the supporters, them, show him love. And that's how him get by day to day. That is nice. That is deep. That's nice.
With my crabby, sad when I grew out of love, but it's sweet make me know about love. Pray for me that and my son, them put angels around them and all of me real talk.
Yeah, me pray. when me dep on me near prayer night time, me not pray for myself alone. Me pray for my daughter and my son them and all of my real friends them around me. You know, we know the struggle.
Pray for me daughter and my son them, put angels around them and all of my real talk. Yeah. Some memories and kind plays your mind. It never ever goes away. Yeah. Time after time, it bothers my mind when my family not like me. Yeah.
So it's not just his mother alone not like him. Further earlier on, him same drop of jail and him sister not send him no text. Him brother not send no clothes. Him brother not send no text and him sister not send no clothes. Now he must say, yo, right now him bother in mind why him family not like him. Him family. So basically he's the black sheep of the family. Them not like him. Them resent him. Them you know them throw him to the wolves. That's what he must say, yo, you know.
Time after time, it bothers my mind when my family not like me. Yeah. Tell me, I feel the hurt, I feel the pain. Granny say failure half and successful a mother. I feel the hurt, I feel the pain. When I no got no way to sleep when time it rain, yo.
The pain when you're homeless and you don't have nowhere to sleep and rain a fall. Jeez. Mother swap. Big up Long Chain Global Ras Dizzy Music. Big up on yourself. Khago. Oh, this is the next hit song, man. This is a hit. Yo. This is our next hit song, bro. Just want to say big up acting for make Khago a show about them music, yeah, dog, cause you really need back Khago. Acting, big up yourself, bro. You put in the work to my fam. Over the years, you put in the work and you have your fan base, you build up your fan base. So big up yourself. Bad artist, good, very, very good artist. You see me? Globe, conquer the globe, big up. You know, Khago, big up. That song is an next touching one. In my last reaction, enough people in the comment section would be crying tears for Khago song. So you don't know, say people are connect with the music emotionally. So it's a good look, bro. It's a good look. You see me? One thing though, I hope say the war not done yet. Hope say the war not done yet. We need more war. What? If you don't say war. Youth, if you don't read so far in the comments, if you don't read so far in the reaction, me want to put hashtag war in the comment section. Had this with there. And that you reflect pan, cross, anything we say it rhyme pan time, you know the line, cross, hungry, miserable, left hand, bounty killers out. Yeah.